Hello, my amazing learners. Welcome back to Voice Nest English. Today, I want you to listen very carefully because what I'm about to share can completely change the way you learn and speak English. Let me tell you one important truth right now. English is not impossible. English is not difficult. And yes, you can speak English fluently. Not someday, not after years, but much faster than you imagine. If you feel nervous while speaking, if your mind freezes, if you understand English but can't speak it, then this video is for you. Let's start with the most powerful step. Believe that English is easy. If you believe English is hard, your brain will fight it. But if you believe English is easy, your brain will accept it naturally. Think about a child learning to walk. They fall again and again, but they never say, I can't walk. They keep trying, and one day, walking becomes natural. English works the same way. Don't focus on perfection. Focus on practice. Say this with me, slowly. English is easy. I can speak English. I am improving every day. Say it out loud, believe it, and feel the confidence growing inside you. You don't need to live in America or England. You can create an English environment right where you are. Here's how. Change your phone language to English. Every notification becomes practice. Start thinking in English. Simple thoughts like, I am liking up. I am brushing my teeth. I need to go outside. Talk to yourself in English. Yes, really. Stand in front of a mirror. Ask questions. Answer them. No fear, no judgment. Label your house. This is a chair. This is a window. This is a refrigerator. English should become part of your daily life. Grammar fear stops millions of learners. Truth is, you don't need perfect grammar to speak. Did you learn grammar before speaking your mother tongue? No. You listened. You repeated. You spoke. Start with simple sentences. I am learning English. She is going to the market. They are playing football. Speak first, correct later. Turn your daily actions into English practice. Morning. Good morning. I feel fresh today. Kitchen. I am making tea. It smells nice. Market. Excuse me, how much is this? Friends. Hey, how are you? Mistakes are okay. Silence is not. Secret rule. Listen and repeat. Hear a sentence. Pause. Repeat it loudly. Copy pronunciation. Copy tone. Copy rhythm. Speak slowly and clearly. Fast English is not fluent English. Record your voice. Listen again. Improve little by little. When you want to speak, count. 1, 2, 3, and speak. Don't overthink. Confidence comes after speaking. not before. This is the final key to fluency. Stop translating. Look around and name things. Bed, pillow, window. Then sentences. I am eating breakfast. The weather is nice today. Thinking in English equals speaking without fear. My dear learners, you already have everything you need. The only enemy is fear. And today, fear ends here. English is easy. English is natural. And you can speak it fluently. Keep listening. Keep speaking. Keep believing. Be sure to subscribe to Voice Nest English. Practice daily and speak English like a pro.